Hi, my name is Steven, and I'm 65 years old. In the tech world, that's often seen as legacy. But in business, 65 means I've seen every cycle, every hype train, and every revolutionary tool since the fax machine. I've spent over 30 years in the trenches of sales and marketing, driving 800 million in revenue and managing multi-million-dollar budgets. I've led teams through the chaos of digital transformation, but today I'm doing something I was told I couldn't do. Without a computer science degree, I'm building a SaaS company, and I'm doing it as a side hustle for the sheer joy of the experiment. If you're in a C-suite office or recently retired, listen closely. The barrier to entry hasn't just been lowered, it's been demolished. You don't need to learn Python, you need to learn how to vibe. Welcome to the journey of myaIwriter.net. For decades, if you had a great idea, you had two choices: learn to code for 10 years or hire someone else for a fortune. Both options are slow. Both options are high friction. Then came AI, specifically the large language model. I call what I'm doing vibe coding. For us veterans, it means conceptual engineering. It's about describing a business need so clearly that AI handles the rest. I'm not typing syntax, I'm communicating intent. I'm using my 30 years of marketing logic to tell the machine what to build. The machine handles the how. If you can lead a meeting, you can vibe code. If you can write a strategic plan, you can build an app. I didn't build myaIwriter.net because my boss told me to. I built it because I was tired of the agency trap. You hire an agency, spend months training them on your industry, like materials distribution, and explain the nuances of brand voice. And what do you get back? Generic, expensive fluff that doesn't convert. I realized the villain here is friction. The friction between an idea and a published revenue-driving article is huge. I saw a need for a content engine. I decided to take my experience in SEO, CRM automation, and lead generation and bake it into a piece of software, just because I could. Where do you start? Let me show you the characters in my tech stack. First, the logic. Tools like N8N and Make. Think of these as digital Legos. I built the brain of the engine without code. I just drew lines between boxes. Then there's the DNA, JSON. Don't be scared. It's just a list of instructions so the engine knows exactly how to behave. The forge is Abacus.ai. This is where the magic happens, wrapping your logic into a professional, marketable website. The gateway is Stripe. It used to take weeks to code. Now it's just a conversation with an AI to get paid. Define the problem first. My problem was, content is too slow. Once you have that, you are the manager. The tools are your workers. This has been an experiment in self-discovery. At 65, it's easy to think you've seen it all, but AI forces you to rethink problem solving. When I talk to an LLM, I'm not just asking for code. I'm talking to it like a junior marketing manager, giving it 30 years of context. The AI doesn't have my experience, but it has the speed. Combine my vibe with its execution, and you get something incredible. To my peers, the VPs, the veterans, you have a lifetime of vibes stored up. Don't let the AI terminology intimidate you. You don't need to be a tech person. You just need to be a person with a vision. Anyone can create what they dream. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to document every step of building myaIwriter.net. The mistakes, the wins, and the chaos. I'm Steven. I'm 65 years old. I'm vibe coding my future, and I'm just getting started. See you in the next lesson.